ating lahat, mga kaibigan, mga followers, and mga viewers. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. A lonely tide alone of one, I'm calling me Gerson. His sons were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. He's sleeping home when is alone and solitary way. And he gets to me and if I know I'm never gonna repay. Quite a man of music denied a simpler fate. He tried to be a soldier once, and his music wouldn't wait. Hear this love for days he played, a thundering velvet hand. His gently melted scorping songs took me years to understand. The little his eyes are growing on, but his blood runs through my instrument, and his song is in my soul. My love is brand of foreign sing, the way me take the man. I'm just leaving legacy to the leader of the band. My brother lives where their friend, for I heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm the Colorado when I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I've just and came to know so well. I thank you for the music and the stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it gives my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and times when you get tense. If I don't think I said I love you, you know me now. The letter on the side on the rising road we know, but his blood runs through my instrument, and his song is in my soul. My life is been a forward turn, the way me take the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band.